Hello, friends. Today we will review Chapter 1 from Modern Software Engineering from David Farley. Software engineering always has been a very controversial subject. Is programming really software engineering? Is it a form of engineering? Is it just if else for loops? A lot of organizations just think, okay, programming is just writing if else for loops. As long your application is working in production, it's not blowing up, people are not complaining, is good. And there were other organizations which took software engineering to other extreme. Software engineering became a bad word. Software engineering became a word for big processes, big heavy processes, too much meetings, meetings about meetings, bureaucracy. You write 40 pages of documentation for 4 lines of code. You are meeting, and meeting. I was working on a project and I will say when we will start coding. So software engineering became another bad bird. It came in traditional software engineering, people look to the managers who have not coded for last 5, 10 years for their guidance, for their orders. So everything was top down. You need to do heavy documentation. You need to do lot of meetings about meetings. Then came the Agile revolution, and people took to second extreme. It became excuse for not using any software methodology, not using any framework. Okay, we have to just push the software. We will create an iterative process. So it's good David Farley came with a new definition of software engineering, what software engineering means in 2022. So David Farley gives a very good definition of software engineering in modern world. Software engineering is the application of an empirical scientific approach to finding efficient economic solutions to practical problems in software. I do follow David Farley channel. He's a very good channel, and this is what I had in mind when I started in new channel. In software modern engineering, you have to keep learning, and agile process is very good. In modern software engineering, you have to learn. So you have to follow that process, which involves iteration, which involves you giving you feedback, which involves giving you there should be incremental updates. You should be allowed to do experimentation, and there should be some empiricism involved. Also, as a software engineer, you have to manage complexity. Here comes the architecture into picture. He talks about modularity, separation of concerns, coupling, and other architecture terms. We need some tools to come up strategy for successful software development, like test-driven development, deployability, continuous integration. We cannot just do some development from the scratch. We need some principles and guidelines we can agree on to start with. We need to learn from the industry and the team what things are working. We need some structure which will help us to grow and evolve improved strategies, framework, technologies, and solution. So, friends, thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, watch my other videos in application architecture blog. Also, like it, share it, and subscribe to my channel for your regular updates. Connect with me on LinkedIn and Twitter, especially LinkedIn if you like small summaries of the video.